Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a latch card protector, also called like an electrical. So basically, this customer here has this lock on his front door, and people are jimmying this door. There is no manufactured latch guard for this unit, so we had something custom made, stainless steel. There you go. And we're gonna be bolting it through with some 6 bolts and some stainless steel's grommets, also known as finishing washers. And the tools we'll be needing is going to be a drill, masking tape to mark the door, and drill bits and a Phillips tip. So step one, I'm going to put masking tape right here and masking tape here so I can get my centers on my hose, because I had it made custom, just made exactly to fit this door. So I can't mess up with those drilling of the holes, so I have to mark them, and being that it's a brown door, I cannot really mark it correctly. You can't see the marks, so I have to put masking tape, which I will remove afterwards. So these are the masking tape. My top portion will go up to here, and the bottom portion will be that long, roughly. It's 36 inches long. Okay, so let me put it in place. I only got one hand, so I can't show you guys every step. So I'm going to set this up here manually, like that, and then mark the holes where I want them to be drilled. I'll be back. Alright guys, these are my markings. So I'm going to be drilling those holes there. It's going to be 5 holes. It's going to get bolted through the door. Okay, these are the 6 bolts we'll be using it. They'll be going right through the astragal, like this. And we'll be drilling now 3/8 holes to the door. So this is my first hole, 3/8 hole, so it goes right through, and the ashtray goes on it. I think I said in the earlier shot that it's going to go through a door. When I'm going to go through this first hole of the door, the inside hole is going to be smaller. It's going to be a 1/4 inch, because I need room for the head of the screw to grab onto the door. So if I make it too big, it makes it weak. Alright, I'll show you that when I get to the other side. So I forgot to mention, for the first hole, I usually go in with a 1/4 inch bit, go through the whole door, so it comes all this way. Because I cannot make this hole bigger, because then my screw will not fit right, but 1/4 inch is fine. And then on this side, once you do the 1/4 inch hole, then you make it 5/8. Alright? And so on, all the way down. Okay, after drilling my holes, 2 on top, 3 in the bottom, and then this side, same thing, 2 on top, 3 below the lock. Okay, and now we're ready for mounting. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, my astragal is mounted. It's still bolted through these 2 screws, and these 2 here, 3 there, and it has an offset, so you can see the frame has an offset, so we had to offset it. Okay, so there's virtually no way to attack this unit. And from the inside, it looks like this. There we go. So I have my Phillips screwdrivers with the finishing washers, grommets, 3 of them. This was not me, and this was not me. I got it ready. And that's how the unit works. So right now, this works fine. You also need the offset, not just for the frame, but for your electric strike. Your electric strikes usually have a lip. This is a very small lip that sticks out, but usually there's more. I would have had a big offset, but that's fine. And that's about it.